How to build a sales funnel, and more specifically, what is the right sales funnel for you, and even more specifically, what the heck is a sales funnel? What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Today I want to talk about how to build a sales funnel. By the end of this video, you're going to learn what sales funnel is best for you and how you can actually acquire clients at a profit even when running cold ads. Yes, a lot of people are afraid to run cold ads, but the thing is the best sales funnels are actually able to produce clients at a profit where you can actually run cold ads and make money. I'm able to do that. We have a $20 million goal this year. I believe that we will hit it, and I'm going to use a very similar, if not the exact same process that I'm going to explain to you right here on this video. And by the end of this video, you're actually going to know the actions you need to take to start learning how to build your own sales funnel and how to build the best sales funnels in 2020 moving forward throughout the rest of the year. So we've got this awesome picture up here. I didn't draw this. I had Chris at the house the other day. He's one of my sales guys, and we actually just got done hosting a 3-day event here at the house. It was crazy. We had people flying from all over the world. I'm exhausted. I feel like doing nothing. I just want to go to bed, but I'm here doing this video for you guys on how to make a sales funnel. So sales funnels have a few different elements. First of all, you have to have a traffic source. So you've got YouTube, you've got Instagram, you've got Facebook. Maybe you have an email list right now. I'm not sure. But the point is you have to have a traffic source. And the idea is, rather than a generic website where you give people tons of different options about us, products, catalogs, services, contact, you don't want that, okay? You have one specific offer, and in exchange for giving that person whatever that offer is, you're asking them for their name, their email, maybe even their phone number. You're funneling them in to the product. Now there's tons of different types of sales funnels. You have video funnels, you have call funnels, you have webinar funnels, you have VSLs, you have OTOs. There's all these different types of sales funnels, but for the simplicity of teaching you how to build a sales funnel, I'm just gonna stick to one and teach you kind of what you can do. And in a little bit, we will talk about different types of sales funnels and which ones are gonna be the best for you. Now, real quick, if you haven't done so already, you're not just gonna like this video, you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna ask you guys right now, make sure to smash that like button. It looks like a fist, but there's a thumb held up because most people have thumbs on their fist or on their hand. Okay, so smash that like button before I get into it here. So you got a traffic source. You've got YouTube, you've got Instagram, you've got Facebook. There could be a multitude of different traffic sources. I like to use all three of these, and I'm spending tens of thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars a month marketing on these platforms. Now I bring people into my sales funnel. I'm going to have an offer. For example, my headline could be how to make money online, your first 10,000 in the next 90 days, right? And so people are gonna go, yeah, I'm kind of interested in making money online and I'd love to make that much in the next 90 days. And they're gonna decide if they wanna give me their email or not. They give me their email, they go on to a landing page, okay? This is where I'm going to get their name, their email, all that different stuff. So I'm funneling them in to the very first thing they hit, which is my landing page. This is where they're gonna give me their name, their email. I've got a headline on here, which gives them some sort of offer and incentive. They're gonna put their name, their email in, and then they go on from there. Now, what you do from here could be a million different things. Typically what happens is you're gonna incentivize them, run traffic into your funnel. They're gonna land on the landing page, hence why we call it a landing page, and then you're gonna give them some sort of free offer. You wanna incentivize them. It's like hooking a fish. You wanna bait them, put something out there. It's a free PDF, a free guide, a free training, something like that. Now, not all sales funnels start off with free offers. I have ones that start off with $1,000 offers, okay? It's a different shoe for every foot. For the simplicity and training of this video, we're gonna say it's a landing page, it's a free offer, you're giving them XYZ training or PDF or document on how to make money online, $10,000 in the next 90 days, right? Once they do that, you're going to send them whatever that free offer is in an email. This is what I like to do. Once they opt in for that free XYZ, whatever it is, a PDF on how to make money online, for example, what happens is it goes to the next page, what we call an OTO page. OTO stands for one-time offer. What this is where I'm actually going to offer them something else, but there's gonna be a charge on it. And typically what I'll do is, instead of sending them that free PDF right away, I put it on a 10-minute timer delay in that first email right here. So this email will be on a 10-minute delay. And what it allows me to do is bring them to an OTO page, a one-time offer, where I've got a video that's 3 to 5 minutes long, and I have a headline right above this video here. And it says something like, watch this video for a very important message pertaining to your online success. Okay? I'm not gonna say, watch this for an exclusive offer that you can buy. I want them to actually watch the video. If I say that, they're not gonna watch it. So my headline is, watch this important video for matters pertaining to your success. If you want to 10x your results online, watch this video. Video is going to be 3 to 5 minutes. It's where I thank them for choosing to do business with me and for actually wanting to download the free PDF. I tell them, hey, it's on its way to your email. It should arrive in a few minutes. Now we have a very important matter pertaining to your success online. If you want to enhance and 10x the results that you're going to get using that PDF, then you need to listen to this video. And then I go into introducing the problem, relating to them, and the solution is, if you want to 10x your success, you can get my, whatever it is I'm offering here, my little course, my mini training, my little mentorship, whatever it is, my Facebook group, my community, for $37 right now today. OTOs here are typically gonna be that $37 to maybe a $67 price range, something in there. That's really good for an OTO. Can you see that? All right, cool. Talking to the editor, guys. Always talk to the editor in the videos. Smash the like button once again if you haven't done so already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and dingle that little notification bell if you're brand new so you can stay updated on all of the entrepreneurial content that I drop out, because I'm gonna be teaching you guys a lot this year about how to build sales funnels, and I'm gonna be sharing with you some of the best ways to build sales funnels that I've found that have already made me millions of dollars, absent of a college degree and without a piece of paper that says I'm qualified to teach any of this shit, okay? But your professors aren't either. They don't know shit about this. I've made millions with it. So I'm gonna bring them to a page where hopefully the video incentivizes them on this offer. And the way I position it is, it's going to only enhance the results that you are going to get with the free whatever I offered them. And I'm gonna make it available right now today. Normally it sells on the street for $97. If you clicked any other link found elsewhere, you would be paying $97. I wanna extend to you a 60% off discount for you to be able to get it right now today, because I'm so sure it's gonna 10x your results. And as a matter of fact, when you buy right now today for this price available only here on this video, I'm gonna back this up with a 14-day, 110% money back guarantee. If you do not 10x your results, if you do not 5x, if you don't even 2x your results, you can shoot me an email and say, hey Ben, give me all my money back, no questions asked. I'll click a button, I'll send you all your money back, no questions asked, no hard feelings. So now these people have been incentivized, there's urgency, they need to do it now, it's not available anywhere else, and it's gonna only enhance what they got right here. I give myself an opportunity for a few minutes to put that in a video, and they're either gonna decide to click this button right here and buy it, or they're not, okay? If they buy it, then great. They're gonna go onto my buyers list, and they're also gonna go on perhaps to another offer, either rapid fire or maybe somewhere down the line. If they do not buy it, I'm gonna retarget them through Facebook ads, I'll retarget them through Instagram ads, I'll retarget them through YouTube ads, and I'm gonna retarget them through email to incentivize them to come back in and buy this if they didn't, all right? That's called retargeting. I can retarget through email, text, calling them, retargeting them through ads, because I put a Facebook pixel on this funnel. I know if they bought or not, what buttons they clicked, etc. All right, and I'm able to turn them into customers. That's what ends up happening. What my goal is I want to be able to create a funnel that I call it taking it on the road, okay? I want to be able to ultimately maybe spend $100, for example, to get them into the landing page, and hopefully I'll be able to get 3 sales at $37, so I end up doing, what would that be, $111? So now it's profitable. It's not making me any money, but it's profitable, which means now I can start spending $1,000 a day and building my list, building subscribers, building clientele. Maybe I can start spending $10,000 a day, and now I'm at 300 sales. It's not profiting me, but what it enables me to do is build some fans, cultivate, be able to teach, be able to retarget. The retargeting ends up actually making it profitable for me. And then maybe this offer or this product that I distribute to them later on down the line on the back end, later in the sequence, maybe this guy right here is a $300 product, okay? Or maybe it's $3K. And that's where you make the money in the sales funnels. Now, once again, there's plenty of different types of sales funnels, and you got to pick which one is right for you. So in a little bit here on this video, I'm going to talk about which sales funnel do you want to build that's going to be the best for your product or your service, because it depends on what the dollar amount is. It depends on if you are providing a product, a service, if it's digital or not. Now, what I want to know from you guys in the comments is, Have you built a sales funnel? Are you going and currently building a sales funnel right now? Are you currently using a sales funnel? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And I'd also like to know, if you have, how has it worked out for you to this point? Is it making you money? Have you sent traffic to it? Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one of my comments, okay? So what sales funnel is the best funnel for you? You have all these different types of sales funnels, okay? You have one that's like this, which I call a break-even funnel, okay? Because I want to be able to pay for traffic. Even if I'm saying to people on my YouTube videos for free, like go click this, all right? I still want to be able to run ads, pay for traffic, send them in here, okay? And when I do that, I want to know that for every 100 people that I spend $100 on, I can get 3 to convert on a $37 product, be in profit. And then that email that goes out, on that 10-minute delay, gives them the free guide, but it also incentivizes those that didn't buy this product to go back in and buy it. A little bit more urgency. I throw them another bone. If you do this and you do this today, I'll give you this again, and I'll throw in this, this, and this. And I want to be able to turn that as profitable as I can, so I can pay for traffic and build my email list for free. And then as time goes on, I can upsell them a $300, a $3K, a $1K, a $500 product, and that's where I get paid. That's where in the grand scheme of things, you start turning 150, 200, 300, 400% ROI. So what's the best funnel for you? I will tell you it if you make sure that you've already subscribed and you've smashed that like button, and only if you've dropped a comment below, or we'll just end this video right here, okay? So we're gonna take a moment of silence, and you're gonna subscribe right now. And I'm gonna stare at you very awkwardly. Did you subscribe? Did you like? Did you comment? Okay, so this is good. Break-even funnel. 27, 37, 47, maybe on up to $67 products. Now, if you think about it, there's a buying cycle with everything. If you've got a car, you're gonna go to a gas station, you're gonna buy gas, you're not gonna think too much about it, okay? You would think about it if the gas was $100 a gallon, because it'd be outrageous. It's very similar with online sales. If you're learning how to make a sales funnel, and you're trying to figure out which sales funnel is best for you, then if you're sitting here, for example, and you have a product that's not $27, $37, $67, maybe it's $1,000. You're not gonna just have somebody opt in for this and then boom, sell them $1,000. There's a buying cycle that has to happen. They have to build a relationship for you. So when we start getting into those $500, $1,000, on up to $2,000 products or services, that's best done through a webinar, where they register on a landing page or a registration page, and then they choose a date, they choose a time, and then they show up to a webinar where they spend an hour and a half or 2 hours learning from you, and then you pitch. But then you get 2 hours to build a relationship with them, and that's easier to sell a $500 or $1,000 product. Keep in mind, when you pay for traffic, the lead cost will be higher because the product price is higher. So you gotta pay more, but proportionally, you can make more. It's best done in a video funnel. Hard to convince somebody, hey, just give me $1,000 right now. It has to be a process. Webinar funnel. There's call funnels. We had a client in here the other day, yesterday. His name is Brian, and he designs custom sneakers, all right? He'll take a sneaker that you normally buy for $5,000, he can find a knockoff version, do custom paint on it, and sell it for maybe $2,000, right? Well, some of this stuff takes more time. If the sneaker is canvas and he's painting on it compared to leather, one might have more time involved on him. He doesn't want to have a set price because it could cut into his profits. It's best that he run ads to a call funnel where he's on the phone with somebody and able to gauge what they want if they have the budget for it, and he's able to charge what he needs to get. And that's best done on a call funnel. And call funnels are great for any time your products are above $3,000, or you're doing a consultation service, you're an online coach, or you're selling a very high ticket, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 affiliate product. So you'll have offering them a call, and your video would be, hey, you can book a call with me, and this is what the call is going to be about, and these are the goals we're going to meet, and this is what I want to establish, and after this call you're going to leave knowing how to do X, Y, and Z. They book a call with you, and then you actually build rapport with them, establish their needs and wants, and then you upsell their ass on some shit, whatever your shit is, and that's your call funnel. And then we have video funnels. Video funnels are where you want to prime somebody, and it ultimately results in a call, but essentially it's where there's a mini presentation. So they register, they opt in, you now get the lead so you can retarget them, and then maybe there's a 10 to 15 minute video, hey, thanks for being here. If you're watching this video right now, here's what we're gonna cover. This is who it's for. You have a little bit of a presentation, so some results, some testimonials, some case studies, and then you introduce the idea. The idea being I will do X, Y, and Z for you for X, Y, Z amount of dollars. And if you're interested in it and you have the funds, then you can click a button below and book a call. And so now they're primed, and that video does the qualifying for you rather than you qualifying them on the phone, right? So the video does the qualifying for you. By the time you get the lead, you already know, here's their budget, this is what they want to do, here's how serious they are, here's how urgent it is for them to get the success. You show up for the call, and then you close the deal on the call. So that is how to make sales funnels, and I covered exactly what I promised you guys, which sales funnel is the best for you and how to make sales funnels in 2020. My name is Ben Oberg. It sounds like bend over, make fun of me. You can laugh in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.